welcome guys. Welcome from Barcelona, Spain. It's evening here, and I have explored a lot of places. Spain, Barcelona, especially so far, I have visited, explored. I really love Barcelona. It's really beautiful. There are a lot of historical buildings and a lot of sites which is really beautiful, amazing, so lovely, attractive, and I love the uh, architecture here. The buildings almost is the same in Europe, but this looks a little bit different for me. And I just went to the Barcelona beach. I found it really amazing. It's quite huge. It's very long beach, and yeah. Now I'm walking back to my hotel, and it was really fun and so amazing, and it's very nice to visit Barcelona, Spain. And even it is winter, is in January, but it's still I find Spain is, compared to rest of the Europe, I feel it's better, not so cold, because I went to France, Paris, I went to London, UK. So I feel much more colder there. And here I find sunny days and it's less cold. So for me, if I want to travel again in the winter, definitely I'll be coming to Spain. But for summertime, maybe some other countries. So this was really amazing and it's really nice. Have a lot of fun for exploring the city. I meet a lot of people from Asia, Pakistani, Indian, Bangladeshi, Sri Lankan, and Chinese, Arabs. So it's not so difficult, and even it's not in fully in English, but still you can find a way to reach the hotel or any destination. Is quite easy. And let me show you, I still here a couple of our Desi friends. हेलो पाजी, क्या हाल है? ठीक ठाक है, फर्स्ट क्लास, मज़े में? जी जी, बन रहा है जी. I just saw my friends from India, Punjab. Yeah, there are a lot of here, Pakistani, Indian, Bangladeshi. They're doing business. Okay, so it's not so difficult. Yeah, it was easy for me from airport to reaching to the hotel, even though I need to change 2 trains. I was coming by train. I didn't book for any Uber or any kind of cab. There is option you can use Uber or you can book directly a taxi cab. And there are buses and there are trains, metros, easy access to the city from airport. So I came by train, and tomorrow I'll be flying back to Paris, so I have decided to go by bus. That bus stop is near to my hotel, so and they operate 24/7, and it's very easy because directly the same bus can go to the airport. Train, I did change 2 trains, so even it was the first time for me to explore the train, but it's still I made it. That was not really difficult. It was easy. Just need to check the map because the map is available at the train stations. Even in the train, you can see which train you are taking and where this train will go, and that shows interchange stations as well. For example, if you take a train from station A, then you can change from station F to some other train line which will go to some other place. So that's way how I managed to reach my hotel. And even it's easy to use Google Map. So Google Map as well will show you mostly the options, which one is near, which one is easier, so you can take that option. So it was really amazing and funny, quite easy, quite nice. I love it, and I'm sure for next travel, if I travel some other place, I'll be easy to find a way. that will be no difficult. Wow, you know what, let me show you something. Look at the giant. Wow, it's really giant. Looks like bear, but it's dog. Okay guys, yeah, Barcelona beach was just over there. It's not so far from here, and I'm walking back to my hotel. That shows around 1 hour walk, and I love walking. You know, when you walk, you are fit. You have a proper relax when you sleep at night. No problem, no tension, and healthy. Yeah, because I don't have a gym here to do. I love to do gym. And back in Kuala Lumpur, I have membership. So, however, over here, I am a visitor, so I cannot go and join. I don't know where is the gym exactly. So it's better to keep walking. And walk is something really nice. I love it. And while I'm walking, I can explore more things. I can see a lot of new things. So that's why I love walking. Here you go. Oh. Okay. Yeah, so today's vlog will end here. And see you soon in a new vlog from new location. Okay guys, till that, be tuned. See you again soon, and goodbye Barcelona, goodbye Spain. Hopefully to see you soon again. Bye bye, keep watching, see you next video. Bye bye.